Good morning from the National Weather Service in Des Moines. This is a web weather briefing for the upcoming winter storm we're expecting on Tuesday. So what we've been focusing on here is the strong winds and the snowfall potential across the state of Iowa. We're very confident the winds will be anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts occasionally reaching 40, maybe even 45 miles per hour during this event. So what that means is in locations that receive snow, the impact should be pretty significant. We're looking at blowing and drifting snow, roadways becoming snow-covered, and even some roads will likely be impassable here early Tuesday morning into the afternoon. Visibility during this heavy snowfall period will be less than a quarter of a mile at times, and these travel impacts will continue into Wednesday morning. So even though the snow should be tapering off by Wednesday morning, the wind should stay strong, so we'll likely see blowing, and especially since the snow will be light and fluffy at that time, we'll see blowing light, fluffy snow into Wednesday morning. Snowfall amount-wise, we're looking at the greatest likelihood of the heavier snowfall amounts in central to northwestern Iowa, central to southeastern Iowa, where temperatures are slightly warmer, so this would be near Ottumwa, for example. I might see a little bit more rain than snow during this event. So for that reason, the blizzard watch is mainly central Iowa to northwestern Iowa. And this is in effect for Tuesday and lasting until Wednesday morning, because once again, we still could see some travel impacts into our Wednesday morning commutes with the blowing light and fluffy snow. Snowfall total-wise, again, there's going to be a sharp gradient somewhere here to the southeast. This gradient could even creep towards the Des Moines metro. So, for example, Altoona might be closer to 3 to 4 inches, whereas Clive or Johnston might get 8 or 9 inches. So there's going to be a pretty tight gradient here somewhere near the Des Moines metro. Up to the north and west here, 6 to 12 inches looking pretty likely. And once again, with the strong winds, impact should be very similar whether you're on the lower end of the spectrum, that 5 to 6 inch range, or if you're on the higher end of the spectrum, the 10 to 12 inch range. With those strong winds, again, the same impacts are expected of the blowing snow. Roadways could become snow-covered, slippery, and even impassable in some locations. We're on social media, Facebook and Twitter at NWS Des Moines. Be sure to check the latest from our friends at the Iowa Department of Transportation, 511ia.org. Regardless if you're getting 4, 5, 6 inches of snow, or if you're in the 10, 11, 12 inches of snow, blowing and drifting snow likely. Roadways could become snow-covered and even impassable, so traveling Tuesday, especially during the Tuesday morning commute, could be very treacherous and dangerous, especially if visibility is less than 1/4 of a mile at times. Thanks for watching, and be safe.